It's Monday morning and I've just woke up to something absolutely horrific. We've got no coffee.
Okay, this guy needs coffee and crullers, stat!
You see how hopeful I was? I chucked the kettle on and there was no... So today we're going to go shopping. We're going to pick up some essentials. I must find coffee. Just tell me if you're getting bored of seeing me come to Macro. I think I've been here like 4 times on the vlogs. Finally got up to where we need to. Holy Grail. Let's grab something decent. I always like this one. Let's buy the good stuff to treat ourselves during quarantine. We did have this stuff before, but it was a pain in the arse, so just going for instant. We miss buying nuts and seeds to snack on, but the price here is just out of this world. Let's have a look at these cashews. That's about 40 bucks. I just can't justify that for cashews at this point. We got what we needed, and we got things we didn't, because I cooked up a curry last night that's going to last me about 4 days, so probably didn't need the cabbage. I got the rations I need to stay indoors now for a good little while. And now a gratuitous time lapse of me trying to fit all of this into this. It won't fit, but luckily we've got a space under the seat, otherwise we'd be stuck. This is breakfast. Yeah. Breakfast of champions.
No, that's fucking a glass of beer and a joint.
I'm more laughing like you can't get away with shit.
And then,
Got a burger.
I don't know,
The world.
Bud Light presents Real Men of Genius. Real Today we salute you, Mr. Fancy Coffee Shop Coffee Pourer.
Mr. Fancy Coffee Shop Coffee Pourer.
What do you do with a master's degree in art history? You get a nose ring and pour coffee for a living.
Pour it on now.
Why is it called a latte? Maybe because it costs a latte, and it takes a latte time to make.
A whole lot of latte.
Someone ordered a cappuccino? Step aside. Let the man who works the milk foamer take over.
Step aside.
Sure, you charge $5 for a cup of coffee. It's putting that tip jar out that takes real guts.
Yeah.
So crack open an ice cold Bud Light, guru of the ground roast. It's not the caffeine that gives us the buzz. It's you.
Mr. Fancy Coffee Shop Coffee Pourer.
Bud Light Beer, Anheuser-Busch, Fort Collins, Colorado.